Hello my wonderful people, my name na My people, this video na the video of earthquake wey happen for Flegrei for Napoli side for Italy. I think on the 2nd of October 2023. That's the 2nd of October 2023. Now this one for happen, my people. According to news, dem talk say the magnitude na about 4 point something. Now the magnitude can be. So according to how they take interview people, the damage wey the earthquake don cause. So first of all, my people, if una see the buildings wey dem come dey show for this video, e dey obvious say all those buildings dem don old well well. Na buildings wey need renovation. Now wey Shento DH dey, make dem renovate the buildings because the buildings wey dey dem don old, or better still sef, if government get money, make dem demolish the buildings, make dem rebuild another one for them because dem don old. And dey talk say e don tey wey the thing dey shake. Even few months ago, I think August, e still shake. Either August or September, e still shake for Napoli side too. E still shake. So people talk say for like 1 week now, some talk say dem never even fit sleep well. Why? Because say the thing dey shake continuously. So one might even talk say the thing no too tey as e dey shake, but how which e tey maybe na another story dem go for dey talk. While some of dem dey beg government, most of dem dey beg government say make government abeg, make una see buildings now, dem don old, make una see am. Say make government abeg evacuate dem, carry dem comot from this place, go look for place for dem. At least make dem reconstruct the buildings for dem because dem don old, dem no good again. Because if the thing shake pass this one, na another story dem go dey talk. So the earlier now wey these people dey now, the better for dem to do something. No be say if e come worse pass this one, e come shake again now, people come kpai now, dem come dey say yeah, and then dem come dey dey renovate the buildings. So now wey be say dem dey alive, e better pass say make dem do the right thing. Okay, renovate, evacuate them first, then renovate the old buildings for them. This one talks, see this elderly woman now, she say she no fit enter inside house. Why? She dey fear. This one talk say for like 1 week, they never sleep well because the thing still dey shake continuously. Because one thing with this earthquake, once e don start to dey shake, you no go fit sleep comfortable because you dey feel say e go soon shake, e go soon shake. I remember when e happen for my area, those buildings wey scatter na old buildings, old houses na full that area. That period na about 300 people na kpai. Na now dem come dey dey reconstruct the buildings. So e better pass say dem reconstruct those buildings now, renovate them now wey people dey alive, than when e go come worse now, people come kpai now before dem come dey do am. So make dem do am to save the lives of people. So if you know anybody wey be say dey base for this area, Napoli side, make una abeg contact them to know their how dem dey. Although to talk say nobody kpai, but e scatter many property.